I am enjoying myself here at Fawn Creek. And we're up to wine number 12. Bottoms up. Well, look at these guys over here. What's going on, buddy? They are sleeping it off after a crazy weekend here in Wisconsin Dells. Yeah, they're relaxing over here. Hello! In the water park capital of the world, Wisconsin Dells here. And so many videos of the Dells area coming up. So if you will be coming here this summer or even in the fall anytime soon, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I've got you covered for all the fun stuff. And I'm going to give away a little Dells package. More details on that will be coming up in future videos, very near future videos. So again, subscribe to the channel where you can win tickets, for example, to this place, which is Timber Falls Miniature Golf. It's always a good time here in Wisconsin Dells. I also have some passes for Land of Natura Outdoor Water Park, the newest one here in Wisconsin Dells, which is very unique. By the way, there's a couple of videos on the channel about that as well. And give you some Knucklehead passes. And speaking of Knuckleheads, a big thank you to Knuckleheads for sponsoring today's video. That place is so much fun, especially if you're a young kid. Parents will love it too. Between the jumping pillow, the indoor go-karts, they have, believe it or not, a little roller coaster in there that the kids will love. Games galore, all kinds of arcade games, the brand new miniature golf, which is a one of its kind here in Wisconsin Dells, the trampoline park, the bowling alley. It's endless. Knuckleheads in Wisconsin Dells and a pair of tickets. We'll go inside that Wisconsin Dells little vacation pack. Make sure you subscribe. More details on that coming soon. Also, follow me on my social media, which would be Facebook and Instagram. I'll keep you posted on all of that. And a big thank you one more time to Knuckleheads for sponsoring today's video. So I just wanted to quickly show you the Timber Falls Miniature Golf Course here. But today, I'm going to take you somewhere very different, right here in the Wisconsin Dells. Come on, let's go. Hi, Sugaboo. I used to call her Dua Lipa, yeah. And we just heard that song on the way here. Whatever it's called. What's it called? Sugaboo. I don't think that's the name of it, though. And you really could care less what we were listening to on the way here. We are on the outskirts of Wisconsin Dells at a winery. So if you follow the channel and you saw us at that winery we did last year, Willersheim. Do the switch here. Oh, do you do the... Babe! We're back to get a little schnockered here on the channel. This is, where the heck, what is it called? This is Fawn Creek Winery here in Wisconsin Dells. We have never been here before, so this will be a first for all of us. Let's go inside and get schnockered. We'll check that out over there in a moment. They sounds like they have some live entertainment, and when this place is really hopping, looks like they have like an overflow or something of where people can go and gather. Oh, is this supposed to be the little fawns over here? I don't think they want me walking on their landscaping, so we'll just lean the camera over. Alright, of course, like any other winery, they've got their stores and their wine tasting section. This is their little gift shop in here for the Fawn Creek Winery. They got some neat things in here. Got their sweatshirts here. Fawn Creek. We're Fawn Creek. Yeah, we're renaming the winery to Fawn Creek. Yeah. Like Elmer Fudd over here. We're at Fawn Creek, everybody. Oh, here's some Fawn Creek wine right here. Oh, the liquor launcher. Look at this. Look at this. I'll give you a close-up of the pictures here. So we're going to get this, and Kelly will do her taste testing with the liquor launcher. Here at Fawn Creek. If you thought, if this is your first time on this channel and you thought it's a serious channel, you're in for quite the disappointment. Oh, Mentos. Should we get those and buy like a Coca-Cola or something to start dropping them in?
Game or a thermos? What is this? Oh,
It's a
puzzle.
jigsaw, yeah.
Oh,
What happens if you put Mentos into wine? Anything?
that's right. If you put it in
Coke,
Coke, doesn't
yeah,
it explode?
yeah.
That's funny.
Like this video, maybe you'll win this hat. You know, one of these days we're gonna have to get out to the Baraboo Candy Company. They're not far from Wisconsin Dells, and home of the cow pie.
Have you had one of them?
I have not, but I've heard very good things about the Baraboo Candy Company. This is really nice out here. They got their a nice deck set up, some live entertainment down there. I'll show you in a moment. And when you come out, they've got a couple of areas where you could do some wine tasting. Some people just left this area. Another one out here. We could go down there and play a game of chess. Look at that. Human size. And there's some live entertainment over here. It's really empty here today. There he is back there. And it looks like they do have a food menu here too. Oh, by the way, I do have the website, their information for this place linked in this video, so if you'll be headed to Wisconsin Dells and you want to check this place out, just click on the link in the description.
Bring that camera down here. Get a closer view.
All right. You heard the man. He has no idea what he's in for now, does he? Boy, did he just invite the wrong person to come down. Are we going to karaoke? Here at the winery? And by the way, we've not had a drop of wine yet. You just wait to see what happens when we've had a drop or two of wine.
Good that you came down to get a close-up. God bless you. No, but now I've forgotten what I was going to play.
AC/DC. No, it wasn't AC/DC. Oh,
Turn
okay.
the camera off if you're on AC/DC. There won't be any. What? Metallica. No, there won't be any of that either. AC/DC Metallica.
Wrong venue, Hat.
How old are you people?
Okay, we just purchased our wine tasting tickets, and it was really, really reasonable. Only $5 a person for wine tasting here at Fawn Creek. Here's to you.
If you don't like dry wine, you might not like that one. You can put it in a spittoon, you give it to him, he'll drink anything, I hear.
Do you want it? Hey.
Antioxidants, that's good for you. That's in grape juice. I've seen that on the label.
A lot of antioxidants,
Yeah.
not too
Yeah.
much sugar.
What does that do for you?
Working on it or whatever.
Antioxidants.
Watching your weight.
I'm not sure.
What are antioxidants good for? I can't remember.
Antioxidants just for your health, general health.
General
Helps your-
health.
Don't help your
Just
kidneys.
general health,
Like,
right?
You know, like blueberries, you'll eat for that, or
Yeah.
they're-
So if I drink a whole bottle, I'll probably feel good for a week then or so.
Yeah.
At least today, right?
One bottle, one sitting.
You'll feel good either way, right?
One 8-ounce glass is actually pretty good for you.
I'm not a red wine person, and that was really good.
This will go better with your chocolates.
Chocolate and wine. That's right. Now we're cooking here. That's
Strong red
romantic,
wine.
isn't it? Chocolate and wine. Break out the strawberry. Turn on the candlelight.
You want to try one taste?
Do a little dance. I better stop right there. I've had how many glasses of wine?
Too many.
Bring it on, bartender. It's time to cleanse the palate. I like this better than the last one, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, is this Adele's one?
This is Kilburn. Kilburn Red is the next one, and he says it's the Dells one. That's because up until 1934, Wisconsin Dells was called Kilburn City. So our state fruit, the cranberry of Wisconsin, represented in this one. So it's going to be like having Thanksgiving party. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Happy April Fools.
Neat thing about this one, we also donate $1 every bottle of this to the Kilburn Fire Department. Not anymore. Now we do.
Oh, it's very cranberry. I am enjoying myself here at Fawn Creek. And we're up to wine number 12.
It's on our winter.
Bottoms up.
Crazy.
You can really get lit here for $5 here at the Fawn Creek. That's good.
I like the apple.
I'm usually not a wine person, but after 12 of them, it tastes good. Yeah.
You take the whole bottle of Merlot, you throw the slushy mix in there, plus 5 cups of water. That's how they make it.
So that's our little slushy here.
Where
I was just talking about. See there, not really good.
I can? No, there?
Just slushy, then tell them what wine you want.
Perfect.
It's so weird it is a wine slushy.
It was very common that people go, oh, it's just slushy.
I'm kind of jealous.
That's how they look.
Alright, so this is our pina colada type of slushy here.
It balances out.
I bet this.
I
We're going to have to go home and change the flavor of our ice cubes.
See what you think about that.
Yeah, definitely. It's like a frozen pina colada slushy.
Some
This is
people,
like a pineapple-y.
so thanks for coming by today.
Thank
You guys have
you.
any questions?
Yeah, for $5, let's buy it with the road.
Yeah, good, right?
It's actually pretty good for $5.
Yeah. I thought so too.
What have we paid in the past typically for wine tasting?
More 20?
Mm-hmm.
I think
so.
Or 15, I don't remember. Maybe 15 at Woolersheim, I think it was about.
And we haven't received any slushies or anything like that. That was good.
It was good.
I'm not, as I said many times, I'm not a wine person, but I really enjoyed that. There's a couple that weren't my thing, but that apple one was good.
Yeah.
The cranberry one, actually, that wasn't bad.
Mm-hmm.
The slushies were awesome. He said something about chocolate. We never got chocolate. I have to tell you, I really did enjoy that. It was some of the drier wines just were not my flavor, but some of the sweeter wines were really pretty good, and the slushies actually were a nice touch at the end, kind of like a frozen wine dessert sort of thing. They really tasted good. So if I was to stock up on a wine for home, I would probably do that apple one that I noted earlier. That to me was really, really good. Would I buy a bottle? Well, I guess if it was the right price. And then, of course, maybe dinner time with family or friends around the holidays or something. But I really enjoyed that. And Greg here at Fawn Creek Winery was a lot of fun. He's a great sport. Again, Fawn Creek is located really just on the outskirts of Wisconsin Dells. Their information is linked in this video. So if you'll be headed out to the Dells, this is always a fun place to stop by and get your wine on for only $5 for a taste test. I had a real good time here at the Fawn Creek Winery. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. So to get to the Fawn Creek, if you're coming to Wisconsin Dells, you just go north on Highway 13, then you make a right on that road, zippity up that road, and you'll eventually find Fawn Creek. I have no clue where we are at the moment, but again, the information on this place is linked into the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. What's your favorite wine? Comment below, let me know. And we know what Kelly's is.
Yeah.
We know what mine is. What's
Yep.
yours? We'd love to know about it. Also, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm giving away a lot of, let's call it a Wisconsin Dells fun package. And more information on that will be on my Facebook and Instagram pages, as well as future videos coming up very soon on this channel. You will need to subscribe, though, to make sure you are eligible to win all of that. And again, thank you, Knuckleheads, for sponsoring this video. We do appreciate it very much. And that's here at the Fawn Creek Winery. I think I've gone as far as I could with that one. And you'll see us on the next one. Bye-bye.
For more travel, attractions, reviews, and Wisconsin Dells vlogs, click on one of the videos to the left and subscribe right now. It's free. Please give this video a thumbs up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And for more, follow Maverick Hayes on Facebook and Instagram. What did you think of this video? Comment now and subscribe to the fun.